Hello, it's Big Cheds, and this is part of the Trading Encyclopedia daily education series on my YouTube channel, Cheds Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Cheds, and you can find me on Bitcoin Live, where I'm a proud founding analyst. Today we're doing a selection from my book, The Trading Journal, and the subject is emotional management. And the question: are you uncomfortable or scared? This is a big one. Do you ever enter a trade and all of a sudden you're afraid, you're scared, like the minute you enter the position, you just don't feel right? Well, something is not right, and that's a big clue you really want to pay attention to, right? If you enter a trade, if you feel scared in a trade, that means you either lack conviction or a plan. Exit the trade and re-enter only once you have both firmly in hand. So conviction means that you know you have a good idea, it's a well thought out idea, and you know where the idea will fail, and you're comfortable in your ability, and this is your plan, you're comfortable in your ability to execute the plan, to deal with volatility when it comes, and to follow through. So if you don't have conviction or a really good plan, you got to exit and come back, when you're ready to go, right? If you're feeling uneasy, it's a decent chance that you might not have thought out that plan properly, right? Another really big one is that you might just have too big a position size. Have you ever noticed that smaller positions are easier to manage? Right? It's a big red flag. If you buy something and you immediately feel uncomfortable, you probably have too much money in that play. Right? This is a big red flag. You should not ignore that uneasy feeling, because now in the back of your mind, you're thinking, did I make a mistake? What if something goes wrong? What if I lose some of this money? Well, now you're playing with money that you can't afford to lose, and that's going to impact your ability to execute properly, right? This emotional toll from that size of the position is going to hold you back and probably cause you to make a mistake. So if you enter a trade and you feel uncomfortable, you probably have too much money, and you should probably exit that trade and come back with a position size that you're more comfortable with, and with a good plan, with conviction. These two things are important and go very closely together. So just simply put, you can cut your position size in half, and you'll be amazed at just how much easier it is to manage your position without all that extra emotional attachment. It's just like when you take a little profit or you take a little bit of a loss. The smaller position's easier to manage because it represents a smaller percentage of your risk assets. And this, of course, is part of the Trading Encyclopedia daily education series on my YouTube channel at Cheds Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a proud founding analyst. Thank you, folks. I hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.